I'm Carmen Long, Extension Agent for Family Consumer Sciences with the North Carolina Cooperative Extension Service in Allegheny and Surry counties. Do you ever have some bananas that are actually a little more ripe than what you would like? Turn them into a banana smoothie. You just peel the bananas, slice them into pieces, and freeze them until they're firm. Once they're frozen, we're going to put those into our blender. We're going to add about a cup of almond milk. This is unsweetened almond milk. And then we're going to add a little bit of instant hot chocolate mix, about a half a pack, maybe a little bit less. If you want to add a little protein to your shake, you can put in some peanut butter. And now we're just going to blend it together. Once you've blended your shake, you can just pour it into a glass and enjoy. You can vary the amount of milk depending on the thickness of the shake you desire. Your family will never guess this doesn't even have ice cream in it. Enjoy a cup today. For more information, contact the Extension office at 336-372-5597 in Allegheny or 336-401-8025 in Surry, or check out our Facebook page. Have a great day.